let me tell you, it is not only leave-in spray that you can make out of your avocado seed. You can also make a deep treatment. Those avocado seed you just threw inside the dustbin, you need to go get them right now. I am about to show you how to make DIY deep conditioner with it, aka the kitchen keratin treatment that broke the internet. This is not just an ordinary conditioner, it is a follicle activator and a strand restructure system. For those of you who asked me to make the video of the infused oil, I still got you. I'm still going to upload the video later on, but ensure you subscribe to the channel. The first ingredients we are going to use for this deep conditioner is of course the avocado seed, packed with antioxidants and tannins that seals the cuticles flat. Also contains saponins that detoxifies the scalp, packed with fatty acid that improve the elasticity of your hair so your hair can bend and not break. I call it the hair fortress, the scalp detox king. If you're eating the flesh and throwing away the seed in the garbage, that's a big mistake. That seed holds 70% of the avocado's total antioxidant. 70%, and you're throwing it away. You're throwing the main character away. The seed contains natural saponin, which we all know as our natural shampoo. It creates natural sleep and lather, which you will see when I eventually pour water into it. This will detangle tangles and knots like butter while gently cleansing your scalp. No sulfates, absolutely natural. It also contains tannins, which chases away freezes from your hair. It grabs those raised cuticles like a police officer and slams them shut, resulting to a glass shiny hair. It also has soluble fibers and amino acid, which are your protein treatment without the crunch. This will fill up the cracks and hole in your damaged hair strands. This could be heat damage or chemical damage. This will serve as a recovering treatment. It contains mighty flavonoids and polyphenols, which are the scalp antioxidant bodyguards. They fight free radicals from the sun, pollution, stress that ages your scalp and causing thinning, anti-aging from your scalp. This seed also has the ability to assassinate dandruff, itching, flaking, scalp acne. It cleanses your scalp and makes your scalp very active. It also has fatty acid that can penetrate into your hair shaft, making your hair flexible. Your hair can bend without breaking. For this deep treatment, we are going to be using the blender, which means we are going to be blending the ingredient, so you can decide not to grate yours. You can just use a knife to cut it into pieces. I am honestly just grating it because I like the way it looks when you grate it. What this seed will do for your hair is that it's going to stop your breakage. After a few use, once you comb your hair, you will notice little or nothing on your comb. It also works wonder as a scalp detox, pulling out the build-up, the toxins, and DHT. With this simple ingredient, your scalp can finally breathe and grow. This also stimulates growth. It increases blood flow on your scalp. It literally triggers the dormant hair follicle to wake up and start working. It thickens every one of your strands because it coats each strand with a protective layer. This makes your hair look thicker instantly. The next ingredient we are using for this deep treatment is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek doubles in size a lot, so I am not going to use much. I only use 2 tablespoons. Fenugreek is the sleep and thickness master. In India, Middle East, and Africa, women have used fenugreek for 600 years to grow waist-length hair. Not just waist-length, but also thick, healthy hair. Fenugreek is in every Ayurvedic hair growth oil for a reason, and that reason is what I'm about to share with you. But let's introduce our third ingredient first. The third ingredient we are going to use is rice, the Yao women's secret for long, healthy hair. The red Yao women of China have hair down to their ankles at 80 years. No breakage, no hair graying. And this is the secret. They have been using fermented rice for over 200 years. The rice we eat isn't just a dish, it is also a hair construction lab. Let's talk about the contents of rice that has helped the Yao women grow hair for ages. Rice contains a compound called inositol, and this compound penetrates into your hair deeply to repair the damaged hair and even stay there after rinsing it out. This compound stays in your hair for days, protecting it from the inside and preventing future damages like heat. It also contains large amounts of amino acids. These amino acids are like bricks your hair are built from. Rice gives your hair the raw material it needs to rebuild stronger. Rice contains vitamin B and vitamin E, which are hair growth vitamins. B vitamins speed up the cell turnover, leading to faster hair growth, while the vitamin E enhances blood circulation on your scalp. The benefit you will get from using only rice is not finished yet, but let me explain what is going on here. We are using the total of 3 ingredients. The first one, which is the avocado seed, the second one, which is the fenugreek, and the last one, which is your rice. Now the rice can be any kind of rice. It can be basmati, it can be your black rice, it can be whichever rice you have at home. First, you need to wash the rice to remove the dirt and extra starch. Then put it in a bowl and add in the other ingredients. Then follow up with 2 cups of hot water. We are using hot water to soften the rice and the fenugreek seed before we go ahead and blend them. You remember when I said avocado seed has saponins, which is the natural soap? Now that is the reason why it is lathering. Like if you see small bubbles on it, just know that is what is causing it. Stir properly for all the ingredients to combine. Then cover it up and let this sit overnight. I made a little mistake in all of this, and I have to be honest to my viewers so you guys don't make the same mistake I did. What I would have done differently is get the fenugreek and the rice to soften first before I go in with the avocado seed. I have already put everything together before I realized my mistake. So if you're making yours, please ensure that you do not mix everything together until the rice and the fenugreek is softened. Now this is after soaking it overnight. Let's check if the rice is soft. Just scoop up some rice and then press it against your thumb. If you can mash it with your finger, then it is absolutely soft. But if you can't, then you need to soften it more. So as I press it, I notice that the rice is still hard. The fenugreek is soft, but the rice is still hard. And obviously, we have to go ahead and soften this. And how do we soften this? We just have to go ahead and boil it. So we are going to go ahead and boil this a bit just to soften the rice. That is why I said I made a mistake by adding all the ingredients together. Now I have to boil the avocado seed. Just grab a pot and transfer the ingredients. We are going to cook this on low heat for about 10 to 20 minutes. But if you soak yours long enough, let's say 2 days, and it softens, you don't need to boil it at all. While we cook the rice a bit on fire, let me now return to the benefits of using rice. So rice contains minerals such as magnesium, high zinc level that stop hair shedding. If you're zinc deficient, you're going to experience massive hair loss, which is why the Yao women experience little or no shedding at all. That is why their hair could reach their ankle length. Rice also contains lots and lots of antioxidants that calms inflamed scalp. It also heals eczema and psoriasis, so your hair can grow back there. It is a common knowledge that rice has starch. What this starch does is that it gives your hair volume. It coats your strands to reduce freezes. Less freezes is equals to less breakage, and less breakage is equals to more length retention. Now that our rice is soft enough to use, I didn't cook it that much because I don't want to end up killing all the nutrients. I'll then now transfer it into a blender. It is advisable to blend it while it's hot because if it gets cold, the rice is going to even be more difficult to blend. I am not even done with the benefits of using rice. Do you know that rice makes your hair elastic? It makes your hair stretch 30% more than before. You'll be thinking your hair doesn't have any bounce in it until you use rice mask. This feeds your hair with the exact nutrient they need for your hair to grow. With this, your growth rate will increase. So I have gone ahead to blend it behind the camera, and this is what our treatment looks like now. As you can see, the rice and the fenugreek swelled up so much. I am going to use this and still have leftover, so be mindful of your measurement, especially with rice, because it will definitely double in size. Now I'll just go ahead and add in some water because obviously it is too thick, and if you're trying to strain this like this, it's going to take you ages and it's going to stress the hell out of you. I'll just go ahead and add in some water and then mix it up. The temperature of the water doesn't really matter. It can be hot or cold, room temperature, whatever. Just add in some water. Mix it up properly. You just want it to be a bit runny so it can be easier for you to strain. It is rice and fenugreek, so it swells up a bit. So add as much water as you need. So after adding water like 2 times, we arrived at this consistency. So this is perfect. You can absolutely strain this using your cheesecloth, wig cap, whatever you can use to strain it. It is absolutely very important for you to strain this mixture. Do not pack it like this and put it on your hair because you will end up regretting it. I promise you. All the rice, fenugreek, avocado residue are just going to be trapped into your hair, and you will need to do extra hard work just to get it out. So it is best you take your time and strain it properly. So I'm going to strain my own mixture to white because while I was pressing this, it burst and poured inside. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to strain the first one behind the camera and then the second one on camera, so this video won't be too long. With this treatment, your breakage will drop up to 80%. The amino acid from the rice will fill in the cracked hair follicles follicle. By the time you comb your hair, you will notice your hair isn't falling out anymore. Fenugreek gives you sleep for days. Fenugreek contains mucilage, and you can detangle your fussy hair in 5 minutes with no tears. This is the second straining. I have already strained it behind the camera like I said before, so now I am straining it the second time, and this is much easier than the first one because I have removed all the shafts. This gives you that mirror shine like you just did a silk press. The tannins in avocado seed will lay your cuticles flat. Your hair will just be looking shiny and healthy. This mixture also gives you that thickness illusion. It coats every strand of your hair. Fine hair will look 2 times more dense with one use. It makes your hair more bouncy. It returns the elasticity. Your hair can bend without snapping. Putting your hair in ponytail won't look like a death sentence anymore. This treatment will give you that coil definition. If you think your hair doesn't have any coil pattern, use this mixture first. It gives you that gel-like coil without crunch. If your hair is damaged, this treatment will repair it. The inositol in the rice can stay in your hair even after rinsing it out, hereby rebuilding your hair over time. We have talked about what it can do on your hair. Now let me tell you what this mixture can do on your scalp. The first thing it will do is to stop your hair shedding. Fenugreek will block DHT. Avocado seed will increase blood flow on your scalp. The antifungal and antibacterial property in this mask will wipe your scalp clean with 2 uses. It will speed up your growth up to ×2. Your follicle get fed with protein and blood flow. Baby hair start to pop up in areas where there were no hair before. This mask will also relieve you of any itch on your scalp because it will soothe inflammation from the braid, psoriasis, and product buildup. It also balances your pH. It balances your scalp oil, which is the sebum. If you have an oily scalp, your scalp stays fresher for 3 days longer. If you know your hair is dry, it is begging you for moisture and strength, run to the kitchen and prepare this mask right now. For those of you with high porosity that your hair will drink water and still look very dry, this mask is for you. If you're dealing with postpartum shedding or stress shedding, this mask is a must try. If your edges are thinning out due to wig, braid, or tension and you want them to grow back, this mask is a must try. If you're trying to recover from heat damage, this mask is like rehab for you. If you know that your hair have been stuck on the same length for ages, you have to try out this mask. If you're battling dandruff or itchy scalp, you do not want to skip this. Just look at how gorgeous this mask is. If you're going to try it out, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye. Mwah.